Now, 4 lobby groups have filed a petition at the High Court seeking a recess hearing on the 63 billion Arror and Kimwarer dam case, where all the 9 accused persons, remember, were set free last month. The petitioners want the lifting of immunity of the prosecutorial counsel and to hold them personally liable in the event of the 9 accused sue for malicious damages, arguing that the taxpayer could lose more. However, in a quick rejoinder, the Director of Public Prosecutions, Renson Mulele, through his lawyers, has challenged the petition, stating that his office cannot be directed on how to do its work. Ruth Wamboi with the details in the Scales of Justice segment.
First day of the courts working in 2024, the Milimani Law Code. A certificate of urgency was filed by 4 NGOs over the accountability for the reckless dereliction of duty by Prosecution Counsel in the 63 billion Arror and Kimwarer dams case. In court papers, the petitioner states that the counsel failed to call witnesses, citing firm instructions not to proceed with the matter. They further say the country will lose more for malicious prosecution damages and that no guarantee that the ODPP, the 2 officers that were involved in the case, will refund the public if the petition succeeds. However, in a quick rejoinder before the judge could give directions on the matter, the DPP has termed the move premature and an exercise in futility.
It is not enough for the petitioners in this case to have sued the ODPP, the officers of the Director of Public Prosecutions, in their own personal capacity. We have the ODPP Act that provides for some immunity. The immunity that is accorded to all public officers exercising delegated authority from the Office of the Director of Public Prosecutions.
He further said that the petitioner should not drag his officers in court matters as they do their duties as prescribed in the Constitution.
Article number 2 buttresses the position of the Director of Public Prosecution in Article 157. You cannot sue the DPP in any constitutional court, in any court, with a view on the question of his job description.
And a suspect, Hilary Samoei, has been released on a 500,000 cash bail after denying an offense of conspiring to defraud the government. A total of 2,398 bags of 50 kg subsidized fertilizers valued at 7 million Kenya shillings.
The accused is granted bond of Kenya shillings 1 million with 1 surety, with an alternative cash bail of Kenya shillings 500,000 with 1 contact person.
The matter is set for consolidation with all similar cases of subsidized fertilizers before Milimani's Chief Magistrate's Court. Elsewhere, Nyeri Law Court, over 200 men arrested on December 31st during a soup in Nyeri County to weed out followers of the former Mungiki sect leaders Maina Njenga have been arraigned before an open court in Nyeri. Appearing before senior resident magistrates Marceline Lubia and Madhya Sokuche, the 297 denied the charges of engaging in organized criminal. The 2 magistrates released them on a 10,000 shillings, and the case is set for the mention before separate courtrooms at the Nyeri Law Courts between January 16th and 18th, 2024. Ruth Wamboi for Prime Edition.